Hey guys, back again with another video. Today we're going to be working on the GTI. So today we're going to be installing Helix 7.5 headlights. I'm going to show you what they look like. I went for the all black trim on these. Also I went with the LED bulbs instead of the HIDs. And I'm going to show you guys how to install it.
All this nice packaging for nothing. Piece of fucking garbage. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna try to see if we can get a fucking knife in here. Well, we got it. Hopefully I don't drop this motherfucker. Like that. There you have it. $400. Like a baby. Sorry. I'm gonna burp it.
You drop it.
Alright, you can install it now.
Okay, the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take off this grill. There are T25 bolts that you want to take off. There's one right here, and then there's another one here. After you take off this grill, you want to take off this part right here, just another T25 bolts. One right here, and then one right here, and then the same thing for the other side. Set it off to the side. The next thing you want to do is you want to take off the 3 bolts that are right here. They are another T25. Now you don't technically need to take off the front wheel. You can just turn it if you have the key in. You just got to make sure the key's in so the steering wheel won't lock. Okay, the next thing you want to do is you want to take off these other Torx bolts. You're going to want to take these off all the way around here. Alright, the final thing you want to do is you're going to rip the front bumper off there, and then you should have access to the headlights. Now you definitely want to keep in mind the GTI has the fog lights, so you don't want to yank on it too much because you don't want to destroy the connector on it. And there you go. Oh, okay, so once you have the front bumper off, there's 3 bolts to take it off. There's one right here and another one right in there, and then the last one should be right there. Alright guys, so we got one of the headlights on and it looks absolutely amazing. I love how they came out. So now we're gonna do a comparison from the stock one to the Helix 7.5 one. So that's the parking lights, and then this is the Helix ones, and then we're gonna do the headlights. That's the low beam, and then this one's the LED low beam, and that's the high beam, and then this one comes with an LED high beam. Alright, here it is guys, all installed. Pretty happy how it came out. Fitment is absolutely perfect. Now I'll show you guys the headlights. Now these are full LED. Now I'm going to show you the turning signals. Really happy with them. Worth the money. I highly suggest you guys getting this for your MK7 GTI. Thanks again for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next install.